How to send a TikTok video to someone. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send any videos on your FYP to your friends on TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, in case you would like to share any video from your FYP, all you have to do is go onto the video. You will see a share icon on your right side. Once you tap onto it, it will show you all of your friends. Here, if you don't find your friends, you can tap on more and search for their name. Once you find their name, tap onto it and tap on send. And this is how you can do it. In case you would like to share this video to any other platform other than TikTok, here is how you can do it. Tap on share icon again. Here you will also see Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Snapchat. You can also copy the link and share it to whoever you would like. That's how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.